Hi guys, welcome back to Code with Mousree, and my name is Mousree. So today's game is about making a nail salon game. That is too cute for us. Because I have made more nail salon games, I will share it later. But this is the cuter one. When we start, okay. There are some options like hands, nails, designs, henna, and this beautiful hand, and even we can change background. Let's see. Wow, we can also change the background. Okay guys, so this is the outer look of the henna and all the game. This is really pretty and there are many options that you can see. Options of the background, options of the hand, options of the nails, options of the designs of the nails, and options of the henna. I think you will love it, and the tutorial is really quite easy. Let's see the tutorial. This is hand script of code, and these are the skins of the hand, like in the options. And guys, this is the options are the nails. I mean these are. This is really super cute, and there are many colors. That is my favorite point. And this is the script of the code of the nails. Now let's go to the designs. Code is really easy in the whole game. These are the designs. You have to fix it every point to match the hand. Okay, now let's go to henna. This is the script of the code of the henna. Let me see. It's really big. Okay, let me. You can copy this. Okay, this is really easy. You can pause the video and see it. And these are the designs of the henna. This is my favorite one, and this also. Now comes bonus. Okay, I will add this layer. This is for future use. And this shadow is the effect here. Here is the shadow effect. You can see this. All you need that you have to make it here, or you can ask me in Scratch and I can give you the sprites. This is this cat blinked. This is the code of the hand next, and you know these are like this: hand next, and this is the code of hand previous, and this is the costume. Copied. This is so easy. The place is just